Soapy Minute. Why does Jentle Soaps use sweet potato in their products? Sweet potatoes pack a powerful nutritional punch. The sweet potato is valued worldwide for its delicious and sweet starchy taste. In Africa, many countries have their own versions of sweet potato stew that are handed down from generation to generation. Sweet potato cultivars with dark orange flesh have more beta-carotene than those with light-colored flesh, and their increased cultivation is being encouraged in Africa where vitamin A deficiency illnesses in children are common. In a cosmetic application, many of these nourishing components within this humble member of the Morning Glory family can be valued. Choline, present in sweet potatoes, is a very important and versatile nutrient. It helps with sleep, muscle movement, learning, and memory. Choline also helps to maintain the structure of cellular membranes, aids in the transmission of nerve impulses, assists in the absorption of fat, and reduces chronic inflammation. Now let's break down the chemical components of the sweet potato. Of 100 grams, there is 7.5 grams of starch, 6.5 grams of sugar, and 3.3 grams of dietary fiber. Now all of these three components add wonderful characteristics to the feel, slip, and bubbly factor of our soap. The fiber adds a little bit of scrubby, the sugars of course add to the bubble, and the starch gives a nice slip. There are also a number of vitamins and minerals that also contribute to the desirability of this particular type of ingredient. Things such as calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc all add to the quality of the soap. The proteins in the sweet potato, when incorporated in soap during the live phase, can hydrolyze, making the soap higher in keratin, which is very good for the skin. The bright orange flesh of the sweet potato, or yam as it is also known here in North America, makes a beautiful natural colorant both when used fresh and when added dry. Authentic yams are very different from the vegetable we have here and are almost exclusively available in Africa. They are very long and more starchy and dry than the tubers found here. My favorite soap to make with this starchy vegetable are my Out of Africa line. I make a shampoo bar, as you can see me making here, a shampoo and body bar. We don't want to get caught up in the controversy there. And I also make a Out of Africa artisan bar, which has mica lines and African soap, and it's just gorgeous. And it represents all the beauty that I've ever seen of Africa. So I hope you enjoyed this Soapy Minute, and you can get these products in my store. If you don't see them in my store, feel free to give me a custom order. These are things that I keep in stock, and they often do go out of stock, but we're making them constantly. See you next time. Bye for now.